Okay, so good morning, Facebook, YouTube fans. So I'm cleaning this carpet here, and I've already cleaned half of the room, and it's coming out great. It wasn't too bad, but with the exception of it had a lot of small pet stains, and so I used my UV light right here prior to treating it. This is the light right here. It shows purple. So when the room is dark, the room has to be pitch black, and you shine this light on the carpet, and you just go around like this and you shine it down, and wherever there's pet stains, this light will detect where the pet stains are. So I've already treated the pet stains. I pre-agitated it, and I've cleaned this area, and the carpet is coming out great. It's going to look brand new once I'm finished. And I had to pre-agitate because it had lots of little black spots on it. So it's coming out really good, and she's going to be very happy with this service. So here we go. This temperature is about 220 degrees Fahrenheit. So it should be dry in about 1 to 2 hours. I keep repeating this in all my videos. The part of the cleaning process for cleaning carpets is to vacuum your carpets first of all to remove any dry soils. Then you apply your preconditioning spray, and then you go ahead and steam clean it. And if you need to do some agitation, you pre-agitate it, you scrub it, and then you go ahead and steam clean. There's 3 components that you can put together when you're cleaning carpets. It's called TAC, TAC, which is your temperature, the agitation, which is pre-scrubbing your carpet with the CRV or some type of machine that has a nylon brush attachment to it when the carpet is heavily soiled. That's considered as your agitation. And then your last step would be your chemical. We call it TAC, TAC. Temperature. If you have a very high temperature, you can get steam. And if you have the right chemical to clean the carpets or whatever you're cleaning, and your agitation, TAC, temperature, agitation, and your chemical. I call those 3 components the 1-2 knockout punch. So if you can put those 3 components together, you virtually can become indestructible when it comes to cleaning. You can practically clean anything. So this carpet is coming out really good. So I'm going to have to stop my camera, reposition my hose, and go down there and clean that carpet in the closet. So I just want to say thank you for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.